welcome to this video. Hey, how have you been dealing with your prostate issues, guys? I mean, are you visiting your doctors all the time? Are you taking heavy meds? Are you worried about your prostate size? Is it becoming something of an issue? Today, I'm actually here to talk to you guys about a solution that has been helping out so many men deal with prostate problems as well as bladder problems. It's called the Prostavive. Prostavive is pretty interesting, because it is a dietary supplement that promotes and improves your prostate health. And the more men are realizing that Prostavive is actually here to help them, the more they are taking it and the more men are becoming healthier. So I think this is a really magical supplement because it has proven to really work. It has proven itself and it's standing out amongst so many other medicines and supplements as well. So if you would like to purchase your very own Prostavive and you're having doubts, stay in this video, but just know that I already left their official webpage in the description box of this video. So if you would like to purchase it, you can go directly there, okay? But guys, Prostavive, it is made with a special blend of natural, organic ingredients, and it seeks to improve prostate health, overall health, and it helps men also basically it assists men in dealing with common difficulties, including frequent urination and just all of that discomfort, But what you have to understand is that what sets aside Prostavive is its fast-acting composition, which provides visible improvements in prostate function as well as increased urine flow, and it reduces all that pain, all that discomfort, Men who suffer with prostate issues, they also suffer with sex life issues, right? Because your prostate makes it really hard for you to be getting an erection, guys. Have you realized that? So Prostavive primarily aims to improve blood flow in and around your prostate, which is critical for maintaining proper prostate function. Now, the accumulation of stromal cells around your prostate can cause discomfort and frequent urination. So Prostavive's natural blend of powerful nutrient, it aids in the metabolization of these cells and it promotes healthy blood flow. Basically, the result is that you get stronger, more youthful urine flow, and you don't have to deal with pains. So it only, what it takes is just one glass of this all-natural solution every single day. Not only will it help you with your prostate health, but it will also help you with your general blood circulation, which can lead to lots of benefits such as increased vitality, better sexual performance, and of course, much more sleep, which is one of the main things that prostate can give you is really bad sleep at night, because you're waking up all the time to go to urinate. So yeah, Prostavive, it helps you to manage blood sugar, boosts your immune system, increases your energy, and lots of men also said they have better cognitive abilities, quicker memory recall, and general vigor. So pop over to their official webpage to learn more. Remember, the treatment is 3 months or 6 months, and there is a money-back guarantee as well in case Prostavive doesn't truly become what you were hoping it was going to be, okay? So pop over to their official webpage to learn more, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!